Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra in water. First, let's talk about water lock. This essential feature prevents accidental screen input when submerged. While it activates automatically with water workouts, you can also enable it manually by swiping up and tapping the water drop icon. This ensures your watch functions correctly and avoids unintended actions while you're enjoying your swim or dive. Your Apple Watch Ultra is built for adventure, supporting high-speed water sports and recreational diving down to 40 meters. However, it's not designed for deep-sea scuba diving beyond that limit or activities with extreme pressure shifts. The built-in depth app automatically provides real-time information like your current depth and water temperature. Remember to always rinse your watch thoroughly with fresh water after any exposure to salt water or chlorine to maintain its integrity. Once you're out of the water, it's time to eject any remaining liquid. To do this, simply rotate the digital crown until you hear a series of beeping sounds. These sound pulses are designed to push water out of the speaker. After the water ejection process is complete, gently wipe your watch with a soft, lint-free cloth. Remember, avoid using soaps or harsh cleaning agents, as they can compromise the watch's water resistance over time. It's crucial to understand that your watch's water resistance isn't permanent and can diminish with age and use. While robust, avoid exposing it to high-velocity water sports like jet skiing without ensuring water lock is active. Also, never intentionally submerge your watch in hot tubs, saunas, or steam rooms, as extreme temperatures can compromise its seals. If your watch suffers a significant impact, it's wise to have its water resistance professionally checked for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.